Today we are going to talk about why is your WordPress website so slow? I'm Steven, and I will be your host today. Okay, let's start. So, the cause is usually not WordPress alone. Slow pages are more often the result of large images, weak hosting, inefficient plugins, missing caching, or unnecessary scripts. The best solution is to measure the problem first and change one cause at a time. Begin by testing more than the home page. Check an important service page, a blog post, the contact page, and if you have one, a product page. A home page may be fast because it has been optimized, while other pages still contain oversized images or complex features. Test on a mobile connection as well as a fast office connection because that is closer to the experience many visitors will have. The first thing to inspect is the page size, especially the images. A photograph taken by a modern phone or camera can be many times larger than the version a website needs. If a page displays an image at a modest size but asks the visitor to download the full original file, the browser is doing unnecessary work. Resize images to suitable dimensions, compress them, and use a modern file format when appropriate. Also check whether images below the visible part of the page load only when the visitor approaches them. This is called lazy loading, and it can reduce the amount of data needed for the first view. Imagine a service page containing 6 photographs, each several megabytes in size. The design itself may be simple, but the visitor still has to download a very large page. Replacing those files with properly prepared web images can make a noticeable difference without changing the layout. Next, look at the hosting. Every page request needs a server response. If the hosting environment is overloaded, poorly configured, or located far from most customers, WordPress may take too long before it begins sending the page. No amount of visual redesign can fully compensate for a consistently slow server. Hosting is not only about buying the most expensive plan. It should suit the website's traffic, features, and software. A small brochure website has different needs from a busy online shop. Check server response times, resource limits, the current PHP version, and whether the hosting provider offers tools designed for WordPress. Plugins are another common cause. Plugins add useful functions, but each one also adds code that may run in the browser, on the server, or both. The number of plugins is less important than their quality and behavior. One inefficient plugin can cause more trouble than 10 well-built ones. Review what every plugin does and whether the function is still needed. Remove unused plugins, but do not deactivate important features on the live website without understanding the effect. Test changes on a safe copy of the site when possible. Look for duplicate functions, such as several optimization tools attempting to perform the same task. The theme and page builder can also affect speed. Some systems load a large collection of styles and scripts on every page, even when only a small part is used. If the website has accumulated years of templates, widgets, and custom additions, it may carry far more code than the visitor needs. Caching helps by saving work that would otherwise be repeated for every visit. Page caching can provide a prepared version of a page, while browser caching allows returning visitors to reuse files they already downloaded. A content delivery network can serve static files from locations closer to the visitor. These tools can be effective, but they should support a healthy website rather than conceal serious underlying problems. Finally, inspect third-party scripts. Analytics, advertising, chat tools, video players, maps, social media feeds, and tracking services can all delay a page. Each tool may be useful, but together they can create a significant cost. Decide which services provide real business value and load them only where they are needed. The order of work matters. Start by recording the current performance. Optimize large images, evaluate the server response, review plugins and theme code, configure caching, then reduce unnecessary external scripts. Test again after each meaningful change. This shows which repair produced the improvement and makes it easier to identify any new problem. Before making technical changes, create a reliable backup and use a testing environment if the website is important to the business. Speed work should not put orders, inquiries, or content at risk. A fast WordPress website is rarely the result of one magic setting. It comes from a series of sensible decisions about files, hosting, software, and external services. Measure first, remove what is unnecessary, and make the website deliver only what the visitor actually needs. Thank you for watching. We have left you some tips in the description. Please check those out. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel. It would help us a lot. Thank you very much, and see you next time.